Hola otra vez. Hello again. So I knew that the first video was going to cut soon, so I decided to stop it. And now the rest of the video we will be talking about time. So what did I just say? ¿Qué hora es means? That's right. It means what time is it? All right, so I'm going to teach you guys how to tell time. So we're first going to talk about examples of telling time on the hour, like when it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Like there's no time, it's just the flat hour. All right, we've reached the beginning of a new hour. So I'm going to give you some examples, and I just want you can repeat after me, you can listen to them, read them, try to figure out, the theme or the pattern that's happening when we say the time. Okay? So first, es la una. Es la una. Again, you can repeat after me. And so that you're getting practice listening and pronouncing. Es la una. Son las dos. Son las dos. Not son, like child. Son las dos. Son las tres. Son las tres. Son las cuatro. Son las cuatro. Cuatro. Son las cinco. Son las cinco. Okay, I'm skipping over because we've done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're skipping to 10, and I also didn't want to give you a digital clock to see if you guys can still read these types of clocks. So son las 10. Son las 10. Son las 11. Son las 11. Son las 12. Son las 12. So looking back, are you able to see any patterns or anything about telling the time? Is there any of these that stick out as different than the other ones? Hopefully you can see that the 1 o'clock hour is a little bit different. And that's because the word s is actually a singular verb or a singular conjugation change of the verb, where son is the plural. So because 1 hour is singular, you're going to use s. Es la una. And la is also singular. But then any other hour, there's multiple hours, so you have the plural form of the verb son. And you say son las. Then you just put in the time. Son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las 11, right? And you just throw in the hour. But es, la, una is singular, so you're only going to use es, la. Restated here, within the 1 o'clock hour, because there's only 1 hour in that time, 1, 1:05, 1:10, 1:17, 1:32, you're going to use es la una, okay? Anytime in the 1 o'clock hour, you are going to use es la. After 1:59, and it becomes 2 o'clock till 12:59, those are all multiple hours. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. That's plural amount of hours. So you are going to use son las. Okay? Es la una, son las dos, cuatro, cinco, seis, ocho, nueve, son las 12. Okay? Son las. Repitan, repeat. Es la una. Son las. Muy bien. Then we're going to tell examples, or I'm going to show you guys some examples of telling time past the hour. So it's not always just 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, right on the hour. There's minutes when they come in, right? So in order to tell the time with minutes, you are going to use, try to see if you can figure out the pattern in this situation. Es la 1:10. Es la 1:10. Son las 3:22. Son las 3:22. Son las 5:05. Son las 5:05. Son las 10:12. Son las 10:12. Son las 11:07. Son las 11:07. Son las 12:25. All right. I didn't say that twice. Son las 12:25. Now that you've seen all of these that have extra minutes, not just the flat 00 hour, these all have minutes. What is the pattern, or what do you notice about these times? Hopefully you notice that they all have E, right? Not Y. Es la 1:10. Son las 11:07. Okay, E means and they actually use and in the time. So rather than how in English we say it's 1:10, we don't put anything between the 1 and the 10, the hour and the minutes. They do in Spanish. Okay, so you're really kind of saying it's 1:10. Es la 1:10. Okay? So in order to add minutes to time, you always have to add E. Es la 1:10 if you're adding time up to the 30. We will talk on Wednesday about what happens past the 30. Okay, so it's like if it's 40 or 50 or 60, new hour. If it's like 1:40 or 1:45, 1:50, things like that. We'll talk about that. All right. But we're just going to hold here. If you are adding minutes, you are going to use E. Son las 5:05. Son las 10:12. Right? Got to add in E. So again, a little refresher. Within the 1 o'clock hour, we're going to use es la 1 and time, or any minutes. Y10. Es la 1:05. Es la 1:20. Es la 1:25. Okay, and then for any other hour, just like we said in the last slides, son las 2:05. Son las 3:30. Son las 2:20. Okay, so we're adding step by step, layer by layer, es la 1 and some minutes. Son las 2 and minutes. So we're adding on another layer to that. All right. I've got one more layer to add. Okay, and that is half past and quarter past. In English, we do the exact same thing, though I think it's not super common with like younger generations. I don't often say it's half past. I think that's kind of, I don't know, I feel like I don't really say that. And if you don't either, then that's fine. But it's important to know because in Spanish they do use it. All right, so quarter past really means 15 past the hour. Half past is 30 past the hour. Okay, so here are some examples. The word quarter in Spanish is cuarto. Cuarto. So if we're saying 1:15, we would say es la 1:15. Es la 1:15. Son las 3:15. Son las 3:15. Son las 5:15. Okay, so again, we're doing the same thing. We're deciding, is it a 1 o'clock hour or above 1 o'clock hour? We're going to use es la 1 or son las in the time. And then you add y cuarto. Okay, es la 1:15, son las 3:15, son las 5:15. You can also say es la 1:15, but it's more common, you'll hear it more often, cuarto. Okay, same thing with half past. You don't often hear y 30 and 30. You normally hear son las 10:30. Media, meaning like middle, medium, the halfway, right? So, y media, son las 10:30. Son las 11:30. Son las 12:30. Right? Cuarto, quarter past. Media, half past. So let's put this all together. I'm going to show you, I'm going to pause a little bit after each clock, and I want you to pause it yourself so that you can write down the words in like a full sentence of how you would say it. So let's do the first one together. What is this time? I want you to write it down somewhere, whether it's on a scratch sheet of paper, you type it, I don't know. I just want you to write down. How do you say this time in Spanish? Our first step is to decide, is it es la or son las? Es la or son las? We are in the 1 o'clock hour, so it is going to be es la. Es la 1, because it's 1 o'clock. Es la 1. But it's not just the flat 1 o'clock. We have some minutes, right? So we have to add y, right? The y. Es la 1:00, and then I want you to write the number 16. 16. Es la 1:16. And I only got about 2 minutes before this recording is over too. So I'm going to show you the clock, and I want you to write the time. Pause my video so that you can write it on your own time. Son las 2. What is this time? Pause here. Son las 4:15. Because it's 15, we used what we just learned, the quarter past. If you said 15, that's okay, but cuarto is better. Keep in mind, cuatro and cuarto are two different words. They're not the same word. The spelling is T and R flipped. Okay, I know I did that one on purpose to be a challenge. Okay, pause. Son las 12:25. Pause. Write the time using the half time, right? Not 30. We're going to use quarter past. Son las 6:30. Son las 10:12. That's all I have for us today. We will continue on with this tomorrow. We're going to practice time again. I'm going to go into more depth with time, but I hope this information was helpful and clear, and I'm sorry I couldn't be in class today, but I look forward to seeing you mañana. Hasta mañana.